Imagine a world where a tree takes on a new urban form, which even you can pour into a bottle. Sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? Well, a carbon-capturing startup in London turned this vision into reality with their groundbreaking innovation. They introduced the Carbelim Tree, which is a living, breathing organism that replicates the characteristics of a tree. It can absorb carbon dioxide 300 times more than a tree can. This is not a typical mechanical filter. Their secret lies in the natural algae, a gift from Mother Nature that outshines trees in purifying the air. These algae act as nature's purifiers, absorbing harmful gases and heavy metals, exhaling oxygen and biomass to cleanse the air around you. If few smokers around you, that also cause to reach high AQI, which is considered hazardous level and triggering severe health risks. This innovation can transform any public or smoking space into an air filtering zone by placing a Carbelim tree, these natural algae working non-stop to cleanse the air by absorbing gases and neutralizing odors. It's not just only an air purifier or a carbon capturer, it's a gathering spot, a place of relaxation. Up to 9 people can sit underneath it, enjoying the benefits of cleaner air. The Carbelim Tree, designed for adaptability, offers customization for spaces where a traditional tree might not be practical. It can perfectly integrate into diverse environments, including shopping malls, hospitals, airports, train or bus stations, and public parks, ensuring an aesthetically pleasing presence. For more information, please visit the website www.carbelim.uk.